Audio cables ensure reliable signal transmission, delivering clear, immersive surround sound without distortion, interference, or audio quality loss. My today's video is about top 5 best audio cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Warkey Audio Cable. The Warkey optical audio cable delivers a noticeable upgrade in digital sound quality, making it an excellent choice for connecting TVs, PS4, Xbox, soundbars, and home theater systems via standard Toslink S/PDF ports. Built with premium Toray fiber cores from Japan, it ensures zero distortion signal transfer, supporting uncompressed PCM and immersive 5.1 to 7.1 surround formats like Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD High Resolution, and LPCM for a truly cinematic experience. Its durable nylon-braided jacket withstands over 10,000 bends while maintaining flexibility, and the CL3 rating allows safe in-wall installation. Aluminum alloy housings and 24K gold-plated connectors resist corrosion and ensure long-term reliability. Precision-molded tips provide a snug, secure fit to prevent signal loss, while included protective caps and a Velcro strap keep the cable clean and organized. With simple plug-and-play setup and broad compatibility with major TV and audio brands, this cable offers dependable performance and crystal-clear sound in seconds. Now our second product is Cable Direct Audio Cable. This optical digital audio cable is a high-quality solution for connecting devices with Toslink or S/PDF interfaces, including TVs, PS3/PS4, Xbox One, DVD/Blu-ray players, and streaming boxes to soundbars, amplifiers, hi-fi systems, or D/A converters. Its metal-free fiber optic design, encased in a fully flexible PVC jacket, ensures complete immunity to electrical interference, delivering crystal-clear digital audio without distortion or signal loss. Each cable undergoes rigorous multi-stage testing during manufacturing, guaranteeing durability and consistent performance over time. The 24K gold-plated connectors resist corrosion, maintain a clean connection, and provide 100% signal transmission, ensuring the purest possible sound. Ideal for both home theaters and professional audio setups, it supports high-fidelity stereo and surround sound formats. Installation is straightforward with a standard Toslink to Toslink F05 configuration, making it plug-and-play ready. Backed by a 36-month manufacturer warranty, this cable combines reliability, longevity, and superior audio quality, making it an essential accessory for anyone seeking a premium listening experience. Our third product is iVanke Audio Cable. The iVanke 10-foot optical audio cable is a premium solution for connecting soundbars, home theaters, gaming consoles, and audio receivers with standard Toslink S/PDF optical ports. Its generous length allows flexible setup without compromising on pristine, lossless audio quality. Built with Japan Toray original fiber core, it delivers zero-distortion digital sound, supporting uncompressed PCM as well as 5.1 to 7.1 surround formats like Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD High Resolution, and LPCM, providing an immersive listening experience with a wide dynamic range. Durability is a highlight. The nylon-braided jacket withstands over 15,000 bends, while aluminum housings and 24K gold-plated connectors resist tarnishing and maintain conductivity over years of use. Cuboid connectors ensure a secure fit, and removable rubber caps protect against dust and oxidation. CL3, rated for in-wall installation, it combines reliability with installation flexibility. Backed by rigorous quality control and 18 plus 36 months of customer support, the iVanke cable guarantees long-lasting performance and expert assistance, making it a top choice for audiophiles seeking high-fidelity, dependable digital audio. Now, at number 4, Blue Rigger Audio Cable. The Blue Rigger optical audio cable is a versatile and reliable solution for connecting soundbars, home theater systems, HD TVs, gaming consoles like Xbox and PS4, Blu-ray players, DVRs, DACs, and receivers via Toslink, S/PDF, or standard optical ports. Its precision-polished 24K gold-plated connectors ensure optimal signal transfer, resist corrosion, and reduce RFI and EMI interference, while the slim design guarantees a snug, secure fit. Built for durability, the cable features a sturdy aluminum alloy shell and a flexible, high-quality PVC jacket with removable rubber tips to protect against dust and oxidation. CL3 rated for in-wall installations, it offers safe and long-lasting performance. Audio quality is exceptional, delivering crystal-clear multi-channel surround sound. Uncompressed PCM and compressed 5.1 to 7.1 formats, including Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD, ADAT, and LPCM, providing rich, immersive sound for movies, music, and gaming. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this cable combines durability, superior performance, and peace of mind for any high-fidelity audio setup. And our last choice is eARC audio cable. The eARC optical audio cable is a high-performance solution for connecting home theater systems, soundbars, smart TVs, gaming consoles, PS3, PS4, Xbox One, Xbox Series X/S, and Blu-ray/DVD players via Toslink, S/PDGF/optical digital ports. Designed for uncompromising audio quality, its PMMA fiber core delivers pristine signal transfer, supporting uncompressed PCM audio as well as advanced 5.1 to 7.1 surround formats like Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD High Resolution, and LPCM. This ensures rich, immersive sound for movies, music, and gaming, reproducing every detail with clarity and depth. Durability is a standout feature. The OD 4.0 mm nylon jacket provides flexibility while resisting kinks, ensuring long-term performance in high-traffic setups. The 24K gold-plated connectors, protected by eARC's innovative dust caps, prevent oxidation and environmental damage, maintaining flawless signal integrity with every connection. Plug-and-play simplicity combines with premium construction to deliver a reliable, immersive audio experience. Whether enhancing cinematic sound, gaming audio, or multi-channel music, the eARC optical cable offers superior performance, durability, and clarity for any digital audio set. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.